Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Plus500 app, a popular trading platform for contracts for difference. To get started, first download and install the Plus500 app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Create Account button to register for a new account. You will be asked to provide some personal details and proof of identity to verify your account. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account and to comply with financial regulations. After your account is verified, you can log in and fund your account using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The Plus500 app allows you to trade a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. To start trading, select the instrument you want to trade from the menu and click on the Buy or Sell button. You can also set a stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. One of the key features of the Plus500 app is the ability to trade using leverage, which allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. However, leverage can also increase your potential losses, so it is essential to use it wisely and to set stop-loss levels to limit your risk. To monitor your trades and account activity, the Plus500 app provides a range of tools and features, including real-time charts, price alerts, and account statements. You can also use the app to close trades and withdraw funds from your account. Best practices for using the Plus500 app include starting with a demo account to practice trading and get familiar with the platform, setting realistic goals and limits for your trading, and using stop-loss and take-profit levels to manage your risk. It is also essential to stay informed about market news and trends to make informed trading decisions. In conclusion, the Plus500 app is a powerful and user-friendly trading platform that allows you to trade a wide range of financial instruments from your mobile device. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the app responsibly, you can take advantage of the many features and benefits it has to offer. Remember to always use caution and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.